York City, living in a kennel and looking big and pretty. Meet them lunch for business lunch, but your feet laid under the table. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Suwannee Joe, you're dark and slow. You dance with the room and you're filled with ghosts. You smell like liquor and you're high as a hawk. You laugh to yourself, but you talk like a rock. Scaredy Kate, back in the heat, doesn't answer the phone and eats like a table. She met Mr. Mike in '89, but she's 100 pounds heavier and won't go outside. Suwannee Joe, you're dark and slow. You dance with the room and you're filled with ghosts. Suwannee Joe, strange, beautiful girl. You can take a woman's hands, but you don't wanna marry him. You just wanna hold him. No Romeo behind your table, expensive knowledge from 10 years of college. When it comes to living, the book isn't written. Your brain's under air.